Yo, look at Dabbing Dobby. Yo.
Hello.
That's horrifying.
What's with the pose? The pose is insane to me.
The pose is
We
great.
should just like film it like looking at people.
I love it.
You are hanging with the shark.
How's it going, Shark Squad? You are officially hanging with the shark. It's time to lock in. We have a crazy day today at Universal Studios Hollywood where we are officially beginning our camp out series. That's right, we are going to be making one vlog pretty much every single day until Super Nintendo World officially soft opens. So we're going to be going hard, we're going to be coming here often. There are so many updates to see. Super Nintendo World is so close, but first we're going to start on City Walk. Let's jump in.
A look at Twosome Chocolate Emporium, which of course is on the way here soon to Universal City Walk Hollywood. This is a chocolate emporium. I don't think I really need to explain that 2 times, but it already is in Orlando. It has an Orlando counterpart, and this very much does look like, I mean, you can tell, like it feels like the younger sibling, the younger brother, the younger cousin, whatever you want to call it of its counterpart. It is a little smaller, but it does look fantastic. I love seeing those gears moving on the logo, and I'm just excited to get in there. I've heard a lot of rumors saying that this is going to be open very, very soon. I mean, it looks done. I mean, look at how great it looks. I mean, it literally looks like there's not much going on. There's literally just one little kind of pseudo work wall here, and that's about it. But on the sign here, it says coming soon. I mean, you can notice that this thing looks ready to rock, and I can't wait to get in there and try Twosome's Chocolate Emporium here in Hollywood. And if you guys didn't know this, they have chocolate bread. Yes, I said that right, chocolate bread. So if that's something you're into and something you want to try, you're gonna be able to do it here. Guys, look, it's Mario. Mario's already here, guys. But welcome everyone to Universal City Walk on a beautiful Friday afternoon. It is an absolutely gorgeous day after 5 or 6 days straight of just, pure rain. We had nothing but rain here in LA, and finally we're able to get outside, enjoy the sun again. It's about a 50-degree day right now, so it's cool but sunny. So it's like a nice little mix. And it's just a beautiful day, and Kong still has his Santa hat on. Look at how good Kong is looking. And down the red carpet we go, and inside the park where, yes, there are some lines outside the turnstiles here. So it is a little bit of a busy day, as to be expected, right? With that rain gone, the sun is out, and the crowds are officially out as well. So, man, I can't wait to see what Super Nintendo World looks like today. I can't wait to see what new merchandise might be out today. There's so much to see inside, and I think we might see some special friends as well. And off we go into the park. We have made it inside. We got through the line, and here we go to the iconic statues here of Universal Studios Hollywood. Look at the wait times on this Friday. 1:45 for Forbidden Journey, Secret Life of Pets 70, and Simpsons 70, Transformers 60, Jurassic 60, and Mummy 50. So basically the entire lower lot is 50 or above, almost an hour on every attraction on the lower lot, which just shows Universal Studios Hollywood is alive and well right now and very busy on the week after New Year's. So that's a pretty darn good just sign of just a healthy park. Like, this park is doing very, very well, and this is fantastic to see. Coming down here in front of Hogsmeade, you will see Production Central, Animal Actors, and the Special Effects stage, which all 3 are slated to close in just 2 days on Sunday. So all this stuff is going to be gone for good very, very soon. So if you want to see special effects, if you want to go in Production Central, or if you want to see Animal Actors before it's closed, you got to get here before Sunday, or even on Sunday, guys. That is your last opportunity to see all 3 of these things. So joining me on the daily camp series, I don't know for how many of them, but I'm assuming for most of them, of course, is JP Land. How many of the camping episodes are you going to be a part of? Do you think all of them, or close to
Maybe
them?
like 3 of them.
3 of them?
Yeah.
Well, how many do you think there's going to be?
Maybe 2.
2? So you think it's going to be soon? You think they're already going to open it soon?
I can't confirm nor deny.
Wow. Okay, so let's just take a percentage-wise, how many of the episodes you think you're going to make? Like a good percentage of them, or like not that many, or maybe 50%, 60? What do you think?
I don't know. I have maybe like 20%.
20%?
Yeah.
That means I'm going to be here way more than you.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
all
have
right.
work,
all right, that's fine.
unfortunately.
No, JP does work. I don't work. I don't have a life, so that's the difference.
I know, I'm a full-grown adult now.
Yeah, JP is a full...
Dustin and I switched.
Yeah, I'm basically aging backwards. JP's like growing up, and I'm like, no, I'll just be a kid. I'm going to be camping. Just like I told you guys earlier, this is what we're doing. We're waiting for Super Nintendo World to open. Are you excited for Super Nintendo World? Like, give me like your actual take. Like, what are your true feelings? You don't have to put on anything for the camera. Like, what do you actually feel?
You know, I didn't really grow up with Nintendo games, and I feel like a lot of people in my generation didn't really grow up with Nintendo games. I feel like their target audience might be like older people.
I'm
like...
You didn't play like Super Smash or Mario Kart or anything like that?
Not really.
Really?
No.
Okay, all
I
right.
played Minecraft. If they did a Minecraft world, that'd be cool.
So do you think that's true of most people like your age and in your generation? Like they didn't really grow up on Nintendo?
yeah, everyone was kind of influenced by Minecraft
That's true.
and like Call of Duty, I guess.
So I guess here's the question: should they have built a Minecraft world, or is
yeah,
that
that would have been so much cooler.
Really? You would have been excited for that?
That would have been insane for me.
Okay, all right. That's really cool to know. That's a good insight. Updated look inside the land. Everything is moving and everything is operating. Check out Yoshi just on the move there. Swamps are going up and down. Everything is going crazy. Coins are turning. Everything's happening inside right now. All scaffolding in front of the Mario Kart attraction is even gone. Like the castle just looks absolutely incredible. You can see Toadstool's Cafe, like it needed a paint job the last time we were here, and now it's officially good to go and ready. Piranha plants are moving, everything is happening, and everything just looks so darn good. And the movement in there is just absolutely incredible. Super Nintendo World looks so cool. I know a lot of people have been talking about this covering and this awning area over here. A lot of people are like, about it. Like, they're not too excited, but I'm telling you right now, like, it's okay. I guess it's gonna like cover up a little bit of queue area. You can see actually right there, metal dividers for the queue. You can actually see them right there. So it is a little bit of covering. So that's okay, it's no big deal. But just zooming out again, look at how amazing Super Nintendo World looks. So JP just pointed out, look at how amazing the clouds look from the ground angle. They're currently moving right now too. It's just so cool to see everything like active and moving and seeing the kinetic energy of the land. Super Nintendo World looks really good, guys. What? Ooh. Guys, we just caught a Mario Kart cast member getting in. Look at how amazing that looks. Yes! Woo! Guys, on the opposite side of Transformers, right across the way from the Super Nintendo World entrance, you can see the Super Nintendo World land reservation system is right here. So I guess this is where you're going to be coming to check out the little kiosk where you're going to be able to make your reservation to go inside the land if the land is at capacity. And guys, I'm just going to say right now, it's probably going to be at capacity a decent amount of the time. So you're probably going to be using those kiosks. You might even be able to use the app. You would think you can make a reservation on the app too, wouldn't you think? Or do you think it's only going to be kiosks?
I think what they're going to do is set up a whole separate tab for reservations for Secret Life of Pets and the land and the ride, because you're going to need two reservations to get onto Bowser's Challenge. You need one to get into the land and one onto the ride.
I'm curious about that one. I hadn't heard about the ride one yet, so that's interesting to hear. Of course, I've heard about the land one, but the ride one is new, if that is indeed true. And I usually do trust JP, so that could be true, guys. So keep that in mind. That could be a thing to get on the ride as well. But for now, just keep in mind, if you want to get in Super Nintendo World when it's at capacity, you're going to have to use these kiosks or most likely use the app. And we'll have more information for you, of course, once we're closer to Super Nintendo World opening. Of course, right here in front of Transformers, guys, this is the entrance for Super Nintendo World right here. We are so darn close. Pass member previews are going to be happening very soon. If you want to get your reservation, that's going to be happening Monday on the Universal Studios Hollywood website, the pass member website. So if you want to get in on that, definitely make sure that you're ready on Monday to make those pass member preview reservations. You got to be quick. You got to be ready to go. But Super Nintendo World's so close, guys. There is just a little grass wall currently blocking us off from going inside. So the moment is fastly approaching. Directly in front of Mummy, if you haven't seen it yet, this is the drink, popcorn, and snack stand for Super Nintendo World. You can, of course, get a little collectible popcorn bucket, a Superstar bucket. You can get fruity cream soda. You can get drinks, collectible drink sippers. Anything you guys want, come on down here and check out the popcorn stand. So as always, our favorite place to eat, JP and I are stopping in at Vivo for a little lunch. We always come here. This is our spot. We just come here all the time.
They just need to rename this restaurant to Shark and Dino Hotspot.
Shark and Dino. It would still end in an O, so if it was Shark and Dino, that would work. All right, food just came out. I got the normal chicken parm. JP went with chicken parm on an Alfredo style dish. That's a nice little combo.
There's still marinara on it. It's just on top of the chicken, and then they have cheese on top of that. But the noodles are with Alfredo sauce. I feel like it keeps it more creamy, a little more savory if you're into that.
That actually sounds really good. I've always had chicken parmesan like this style, but that style sounds, that just sounds, God, I kind of want to try it. Like, that sounds so darn good. But I went classic. I went traditional today. By the way, Vivo hasn't had chicken parmesan in a while here in Hollywood. Orlando always has it, but our Hollywood menu kind of got short during the pandemic, and now it's officially coming back to full form. With
this is our favorite dish.
No, this really is our favorite dish, and it's officially back at Vivo. So if you want to come try the chicken parmesan here, definitely recommend it. So another successful day at Vivo. Now we're already making our way back inside the park. JP, good meal? Did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah, it was so good. I'm so full and like tired now.
JP, yeah, we actually are kind of tired, but it is getting a little cold now outside. We were both saying it's a little bit cold. But on Instagram, I asked JP to rank his meal out of 10. He gave it a 12. So I think JP really recommends the Alfredo chicken parm.
By the way, I do want to say that we saw Super Nintendo World at night. How it looks lit up, seeing Bowser's eyes. Like, dude, the eyes. Look at Dobby just chilling. The eyes looked so darn good on that thing. What do you think of like the lights and stuff?
It's very vibrant.
Yeah.
I liked it. I wish they had more like colorful things around the land.
Sure.
And then we didn't see any lights on Mount Beanpole, so I wonder if they're gonna add lights later on.
That's true. We didn't see too many lights there, but we saw some crazy lights in the warp pipe that take you inside. It was like spiral, like Rainbow Road style, like crazy lights. So darn cool. Can't wait for you guys to see it. JP's colorblind, so unfortunately he can't see it, but I promise you guys, it was really cool. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up our video today at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe right now, and we'll see all of you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.
Let's go. I need a shout to the theme park shark. When I'm on it, yo, my scheme's real hard. Hitting rappers from every direction, y'all are starving. Till I swarm on you with the shark fin.
Bobby is free.